Hello everyone, hope you are fine and doing well. In my today's video, I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Realme C35. Before starting the video, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If you want to download a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a second WhatsApp or a clone WhatsApp in your device, like you already have one but you want to download another, you can do this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the dual WhatsApp in your device Realme C35. Let's watch the video.